Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I come back with another video. In this video, you will get 40 plus paid Udemy courses for free with certification. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Also join my Telegram for daily course update. In previous video, I gave you free Coursera course for free with certification. If you haven't watched that video, then I recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So let's get started. The first course is Python Programming Beginners Tutorial Python 3 Programming. In this course, you will develop a basic understanding of programming and the Python programming language, write program and solve problems using logical construct of Python, demonstrate significant experience with the Python program development environment, understand the concept of OOP in Python, classes, attributes, inheritance, polynomial, work with the Python standard library. These courses with 13.5 are only one year full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification mission. The next course is Modern React.js Hook and Context with Most Record Edition. In this course, you will React.js Hook and Context, React Modern phase in to develop web application with React.js Hook and Context, creating hook and content structure, creating hooks and content structure with exploratory diagram, what is context API and how to use it, using context API and hook together, creating context with class component, access of context with context type to manipulate the data in context, use state, use effect, use reducer, and use context hook, reducer action, and dispatching concept and much more. How to use coding techniques to make efficient development. All you need to a computer and you. This course is 3.5 on demand view to article, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is 100 Python challenge. In this course, you will get challenge with simple logical challenge and learn Python by solving them in Python only. 100 challenge in Python. If you have already learned Python from some course, this challenge will help you to challenge your learning. This course is 31 minutes on demand video, 100 coding exercise, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Microsoft Cybersecurity Pro Tech Threats Detection. In this course, you will describe signature-based and behavior heuristic detection method, list the capability on the premises threat detection and mitigation tools, name the capability of hybrid and cloud threat detection and mitigation tools, recognize the importance of enterprise threat detection monitoring. This course is 6 hours on demand 9 downloadable resources, full 1 practice test, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, assigned and certification mission. The next course is practical reinforcement learning using Python 8 AI agent. In this course, you learn practical reinforcement learning, master open AI gyms, prepping bird agent, Mario agent, stock agent, car agent, space invader agent, and much more. Build reinforcement learning agent in any environment. This course is 5 on demand view full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Beginner Guide to Competitive Programming using Python. In this course, you will learn basic competitive level programming. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next one is Scrap. The next one is TypeScript with React Quick Start with Jest testing. In this course, you will integrate TypeScript with React app, React props and state using the TypeScript interface, build a small app with TypeScript, React router and history, React conditional handling parent and child component with TypeScript, test React with Jest and React testing library, Jest hook, mock and test utility, use interface user interaction and async coding testing. This course in 4.5 on demand with 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, excellent warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Ethical Hacking Capture the Flag Walkthrough version 1. In this course, you will learn a much higher skill level as a pen tester or a hacker, ability to better pen test network, basic tools and techniques in vulnerability assessment and exploration, understanding the hacker's methodology, using understanding of penetration testing process and life cycle. These courses in 2.5 are on-demand video for articles, full lifetime access, Excel Volunteer, and Traditional Mission. The next course is Ethical Hacking Capture the Flag Walkthrough version 2. In this course, you will learn a much higher skill level as a pen tester or a hacker, be able to pen test any network, help in preparation of OSCP exam using manual hack as opposed to automated tools. This course is 1.5 on-demand video for article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is Ethical Hacking Capture the Flag Walkthrough. In this course, you will learn a much higher skills level as a pen tester or hacker, learn the basic tools and technique to vulnerability assessment and exploration, footprinting, scanning, enumerator, exploration and privilege escalation, practical understanding of penetration tools and technique. This course is 1.5 on-demand video, 3 article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is complete Python and Python OOP with XSM project in 2021. In this course, you will learn Python IDLEs, how to download and install IDLE, Python, PyCharm, learn how to implement Python interpreter in Udemy, learn how to code in Python in simple and easy way, Python programming basic from scratch in easy and simple by doing, Python basic OOP from scratch, Python advanced OOP, Python example and quizzes, project to master the Python powerful skill and knowledge you will learn. This course is for on-demand video 16 and downloadable versions, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification condition. The next course is machine learning, regression, and classification. In this course, you will learn understanding and implementation decision tree in Python, understanding about the Gini and information gain algorithm, solve mathematical numerical related decision tree, learn about regression tree, learn about the simple multiple polynomial and multivariate regression, learn about ordinary least square algorithm, solve numerical related to ordinary least square algorithm, learn to create real-world prediction and classification project, learn about gradient descent, learn about logistic regression and hyperparameter. These courses is 17 on-demand video, 15 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is OBS Studio Ultimate Live Streaming Guide to OBS Studio. In this course, you will learn OBS Essential Video Recording with OBS, Streaming with OBS. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Introduction to Quantum Computing. In this course, you will learn the basics of quantum computing, understand the basics of Microsoft Q, learn the basics of mathematics for quantum computing, understand the basic quantum algorithm, learn all the quantum computing theoretical concept, learn all and perform basic quantum computing tasks with Microsoft Q. This course is 2.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is Project Management, Cost and Schedule Monitoring using EVM. In this course, you will learn EVM, project management, cost control, cost management, cost monitoring, quantity surveying, budget control and monitoring, cost variance and scheduling variance, cost performance index and schedule performance index, estimate at completion, estimate to complete, budget at completion, planned value, earned value to complete performance index. This course is ready on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is LDR, strengthen, heal, and protect your heart. In this course, you will learn discover heart actually is and what is going on. Learn how to spot an heart attack. Learn with complication of heart attack are and about follow-up care. Learn what to do when an heart attack occurs. Discover primary risk factor for heart attack disease. Discover how to accept can be powerful key to freedom from anxiety. Learn how to strengthen your heart to prevent future episodes. Learn about specific heart remedies that can make a big difference. This course is one on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification mission. The next course is Microsoft Excel, Basic Excel, Advanced Excel Formula. In this course, we will learn how to work with the most popular Microsoft Excel function, build basic Excel app from scratch with different functions, be able to work with different Excel function types such as date and time, financial, and many others. Get a lifetime access with course and support. These courses are 4.5 on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification completion. The next course is complete guide to Tailwind Master Pinterest with Tailwind. In this course, you will learn what is Tailwind, how to use all Tailwind feature, how to implement Tailwind in practice on Pinterest. This course is 3.5 on-demand view, full lifetime access, external validity, and study completion. The next course is the simple and easy way to cure insomnia and sleep better. In this course, we will learn about the different types of insomnia, learn the negative effect of insomnia, discover the recurrent science and study how to discover about insomnia, learn how to mind on of an insomnia works and how it can be help you debunk the many myths about the insomnia and what the cause sleep disturbance, discover about natural and artificial remedies for insomnia, discover how to medicate can both help and hurt, and how to light environment has a hug impact on sleep, server ways, learn how to be a better preparation on sleep and how to turn off your mind, learn how to prevent insomnia, find out the how to program your mind from your sleep. This course in 1 hour, one article, full left access, external modality, and saturation omission. The next course is Insomnia Solution. Discover the secret of beating insomnia. In this course, you will discover the secret of beating insomnia, learn about the powerful connection between your emotion and eczema. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, one article, full lifetime access, external validity, and saturation omission. The next course is Adobe Photoshop CC Fundamentals and SSL Training. In this course, you will layer, color and adjustment, shape and symbol, content aware and cropping, text style, gradient, stock and beverage, shadow, blending, selection and masking, blur and filter, transform, wrap and distort, retouching, effect of visual style, brush, export, learn earning money with graphic design work, advanced tool. This course is 8 hour on-demand video, 2 article, 2 downloadable series, full lifetime access, extra morality, and certification completion. The next course is Philosophy of Mind. In this course, we will learn where and what is mind, how can it be defined. This course is 8 hour on-demand video, 1 hour practice test, full lifetime access, extra morality, and certification completion. The next course is Luminance Landscape Design and Photorealistic Rendering. In this course, you will understand knowledge from landscape design and rendering photorealistic. This course includes 1 hour on-demand video, 2 downloadable series, full lifetime access, extra morality, and certification completion. The next course is Ketogenic Diet, Look and Feel Amazing, the Keto Diet Away. In this course, you will learn how to turn your body into a fat burning machine all day without going into starving mode, how to eliminate sugar spike for diabetics people once and for all, how to get higher mental focus, how to increase energy level without relying on sugar rush, how to get a clearer, healthier, and more glowing skin in matters of week, how to prevent your body to go into a state of hunger. These courses in 1 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, extra morality, and certification completion. The next course is Adobe Illustrator CC 2020. In this course, you will set up account and download Creative Cloud, install Adobe Illustrator CC 2021, welcome page, main menu, reference, main menu, tools. This course is 2 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, extra morality, and certification completion. The next course is Intermittent Fasting 101, the beginner guide. In this course, you will learn what is intermittent fasting is and how it can be helped to beat your weight problem even when your system fail. Learn about many amazing benefits of intermittent fasting. Discover the right way to intermittent fasting for the best result. Learn how to intermittent fasting can boost your energy. Be so the specified protocol for intermittent fasting. Get special tips on how to maximize your result. Learn the secret of how to intermittent fasting can be beat your own weight for loose plateaus. Bonus questions and section for intermittent fasting. This course in 1 hour on-demand video, 1 article, full lifetime access, extra morality, and certification completion. The next course is Learn to Draw Anime Manga Characteristic for Beginner. In this course, you will learn drawing anime characters with easy method, shading, blend, and coloring using geometrical shape by drawing. Draw anime character face and different styles of eyes, body and tummy for male and female character emotion. This goes into around the video, 6 downloadable series, full lifetime access, extra morality, and traditional mission. The next was time management and goal management, the productivity combo. In this course, we will learn the ultimate of time management hacks to effectively set and achieve your goal by empowering product habit. This course is 1 hour video, 1 article, 15 downloadable series, full lifetime access, extra morality, and traditional mission. The next was the first step into seller smarter. In this course, you will learn essential selling skills, how to set smart goals, time management tips, types of selling. This course in 1 hour on-demand view of full lifetime access, Excel already, starting ambition. The next will time the time bend, productivity and time management skills. In this course, you will learn advanced time management strategy you can implement today, time management and productivity fundamental, how to use time management software tools like Outlook, Basecamp, Asana, and Trello help to eliminate saying the words too busy and overwhelmed ever again. How to use simple time management tips to do twice the work and half the way effort. Explore your productivity using software tools like Basecamp, Trello, Asana, and Outlook. Find the made scientist part of your day. Learn the 80-20 rule to reduce your workload. This coaching for our on-demand full lifetime access, exam morality, and certification obligation. The next was the additional certification practice test for exam and interview. This course includes two practice tests for lifetime access exam wide. The next was the project cost management, estimating, budgeting, and control. In this course, you will learn how to estimate cost of your project, how to determine project budget, how to control project cost, how to use earned value management indicator. This course in 2.5 on demand full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification obligation. Next course is Docker Certified Associate. This course includes 6 practice tests full lifetime access, exam one. The next course is Reverse Engineering, Debugging, and Malware Analysis 2021. In this course, you will learn reverse engineering, malware analysis, debugging, analysis type and reporting, basic operating system, component, memory types, file system types, 8082 malware analysis, Trident malware analysis, volatility, low-level assembly debugging, Windows registry, stack, card, bypass, method exploitation, low-level PU, software exploitation. These courses 6 are one article, 3 downloadable, 1 practice test, full lifetime access, exam quality, and certification mission. The next was Algae Project Management, Algae Scrum, Kanban, and XP. In this course, you will learn everything you need to get started with Algae Project Management, Scrum, Kanban, and XP. This course is 4.5 on demand video, 12 articles, 3 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam quality, and certification mission. The next course is YouTube SEO Optimization for Beginner. In this course, you will learn tutorial series will give the essential idea for you to get started. This course in 38 minutes on demand view full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification obligation. The next course is Salesforce Experience Cloud Complete Guide. In this course, you will learn a complete guide to building a Salesforce community and passing your Salesforce community cloud certification exam. This course is 9.5 on demand view to downloadable resources, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification obligation. The next course is Business Analytics with R 2021. In this course, you will learn training in business analytics with R programming. These courses 8 are on demand view full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification obligation. The next course is Becoming a Great Self Growth Mindset Training. In this course, you will learn how to live a legendary life, adapt the business strategy, and grow in every area of your life. This course is 1 hour on demand view full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification obligation. The next course is Mobile App Marketing for Absolute Beginner. In this course, you will learn how to create a mobile app user based on spending very little money, learn how to create virality in mobile app. You will learn how to optimize the app to make search engine friendly. We'll learn how to use Facebook, Twitter, YouTube for app marketing purposes. You will learn how to generate hug audience through effective email marketing. You will learn effectively use push notification for app engagement. This course in 1 hour on demand of 53 articles, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification obligation. All the course links are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video to others also because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.